Right, this is the corner I was watching earlier right here outside. Very, very fast. Very easy right here. Jeff Lawrence holding the lead. Really, I think very, very happy to keep him excited. With more net. Something out of that. This is Justin Long. Trying to respond to him as well. That's exactly what he's done with Buffalo.
Not too bad. He kind of made his way, kind of almost figured out a different line, but for him, I'm just laughing at him giving it all, and he's the one guy here that says the 450, it ain't fast enough.